Hi guys, so I have another swap reveal, and this swap is from Miss Sandra, and it is for my Favorite Things group swap. I think I forgot to say that in the last couple of videos, and I will link all of the requirements. Well, I'll put a link to my Instagram where all the requirements can be found on my page. So this is from Miss Sandra, and she has participated in all of my swaps and is such a sweet supporter of my channel. So I'm just opening up her package here that has a bunch of goodies in it. I see strawberries. Okay, let's see. Oh boy, oh my gosh, you guys, it keeps coming and coming. Oh goodness gracious. Oh gosh, and she has some goodies for me. Oh, thank you, Sandra. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. She actually sent me some, we talked about this like offline, and she's like, I'll just put it in your swap. She sent me some amazing stuff, some marigold and heritage, which is like some goodies that I've been looking for, some Maggie Homes. I don't have a lot of marigold or heritage, and she's so sweet. She sent me some. Thank you, girl. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Sandra is on YouTube and Instagram, and I will put all of her info below, and I'll put her YouTube handle in the title of this video. So I don't know what is what. Let's see, I'm gonna open this because oh wait, it says my name. Okay, I'm like, it looks like something a little bit different, but okay, all right, so let's open that because it might give us some instructions. Ooh, I'm loving the strawberries already. Oh, I already know. Sandra is such a talented crafter. I have had the pleasure of opening so many of her swabs. Oh boy, glue! What crafter? And this pink bag, which you guys know I'm a sucker for a tote. Okay, so this is to me. Let's see what it says. Oh, look at this pretty card. It says hello, hello, hello. And look, she left the inside blank so that I can reuse it if I want to. And it says, Lisa, thank you for hosting another amazing swap. I finally got to use one of my favorite paper collections, Strawberry Milkshake. Ooh, I know this is a lot of people's favorite. I've included a small hostess gift for you. I have labeled my favorite die embellishments with a heart sticker. The red and clear bags are for my swap partner. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's see. She has, ooh, these are my, Sandra. She did these for me because this is not the candy that she included. She knows these are my favorite. Look, she put these in hers, but she put these in mine because she knows I love them. Thank you so much, girl. Oh my gosh, you guys are the sweetest, truly. And look at this notebook. Ooh, I can't resist a notebook. Ah, it's a nice one too. Oh my gosh, is it from, I don't know where it's from. I was trying to figure it out. Ooh, I love. These are good, good sized lines too. And I love, like, I don't know, this notebook is so like crisp and neat. I am such a crazy person. Like, I don't know, you guys probably can't tell, but like the cut lines are like so perfect. It's like a perfect cornered edge. I love it. I'm so crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm so crazy. And then, I got some glue. This is the scrapbooks.com Artiste glue. And is this a corner rounder? Let me see here. Let me see. I don't have this. It's from Hobby Lobby. And it's a mini corner rounder. Ooh, I like this. That's nice. I don't have one like this. This is nice. The radius is 0.56, so it's 0.22 inches, which is even smaller than normally there's like a 1/4 inch one and like a 1/2 inch one, I think. So thank you so much. So I'm gonna put that over to the side. Those are my goodies. And then let's get into the swap. Look at this pretty bag. So she made this tote, and it is adorable. It is adorable. Remember, we crinkle over here. We're a crinkling channel. So let us get into it. Let's open this up. So pretty. Pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So she's decorated the rosette on the front of this. So pretty. So she has puffy stickers. And she has like this little chipboard girl. She has this floral mesh on 2 layers, and then this beautiful rosette. I love this little ticket, this little mid one. And look, she put like little gold bling dots, and she put fabric all the way around. And look, this is her info. It's on the bottom. Look, handmade with love by Sandra. So she's SVGs11 on Instagram, and on YouTube, she's Crafted by Sandra. And I'll put all of her info, of course. So let us open this up. Oh boy, oh my gosh, I see stuff I love already. Okay. Oh boy, okay. So cute, okay. So, this is the little tote, which I will leave right here so you can still see it. So let's look at some of the crafted goodies. So she did these little clipboards. These are so stinking cute. And she backed it on the paper, which you can reuse. And look here, so she has this gold frame and these 3 little dots, and it says sweetness. And look, she put a vellum thing over here. This is so cute. They look like little clipboards. How adorable. And like it's on with like removable like sticky, so you can actually reuse this paper too. So if you don't have this collection, so this was a red dot, so that means this was one of her favorite dies. So this is favorite die number 1. And then we have favorite die number 2, which she gave you one of, which is so sweet of her. And this is our crafting community favorite. These are the Temu bow die, the Temu bow frame. We all love this die, and look how pretty it looks. This is the reason why it's so like beloved in our community. So this is more chipboard on the top here. She layered some ephemera from the collection. Look at this little strawberry. It says strawberry kisses, and she popped this up on foam. Same thing over here. Oh my goodness. And then these 3 little gold dots again. This is beautiful. Sandra's so talented. Oh my gosh. It's like the perfect amount of embellishment, you know? So that is another one of her favorite dies. So that was favorite die number 2. Okay, so she said, did she say the pink ones were different? Let's see, hold on. The red and clear bags. Heart and a sticker. Okay, with a heart sticker. Okay, so this is another favorite die. Ooh, this is one of my favorite dies too. This is the Angel Wing Bow. I think this is a KS Craft die, and ooh, she made it so pretty. Okay, look at this. So she has all 3 of these layers with 3 different sheets of paper. So pretty. And then this one, she used the same paper. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And I love how you put the paper as the background. Look at this paper. It's really pretty. I know a lot of people love this collection. And look at this teeny little flower and the little cabochon right here, this little strawberry cabochon. How cute is this? How cute is this? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, let me put this. Was it this way? I think so. Okay. So that was another one. Ooh, we have more hearts. I see the hearts. I'm following the trail of hearts. Then we have this. This is I think this is a Scrap Diva paper clip. And this is another one of her favorites. Another one of her favorite dies. How pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. So this, she actually put it on 2 layers of cardstock. And oh my gosh, I love these puffy stickers. Look at this one. It says Sweet Diary. And then the little typewriter. And then this is like a little kind of a flat lay. It has a postcard and a book. Oh my gosh, this is right up my alley. I love these puffy stickers. I may have to grab these. This is probably a collection that you can't get anymore. I feel like every time it's like, it's everyone's favorite. It's always like the one that is like, you know, in the vault somewhere. So pretty though. Oh my goodness, I love it. Ooh, okay, so now those were her 4 favorite dies. Now we have some Crafter's Choice items. So she made 2 bag toppers. Let's look at these. Let's get into this and see. And look how pretty. So she has this floral mesh. We have this little puffy sticker, which got away from us. I think it was probably on here. Probably like that. How cute is that, right? Look at the butterfly. I love these little gold embellishments. And then this is a bigger version of that puffy sticker flat lay. I love it. And then we have like a whole bucket of strawberries in the back and this pretty floral. And she put this on red paper. And it's a bag topper, so it's ready for you to use. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, how could you use them? They're just so pretty. And then look at this one here. Back here, she has this little teacup, a little, this is one of my favorite dies, this back little paper ruffle back there. Then we have a little birdie and a flower, this ticket. Oh my gosh, so cute, Sandra, so cute. I love. Oh my gosh, so cute, so cute, so cute. Oh my goodness, this is such a pretty paper collection. If this is your favorite paper collection, leave a comment in the description bar. I know this is a lot of people's favorites, and I've actually never seen it in real life, so I'm like so happy to be touching it with my hands, and your swap partner is going to be so happy. So let me put these in here, and then we have goodies, guys. We have goodies. So we have these. I just bought these at Hobby Lobby myself. These are beautiful. They're like a clay mix, and they go perfectly with the theme. And I don't know if you can see, but there's like pink hearts here that also have strawberries on them. Stinking cute. Stinking cute. And then we have some items. Oh, that's where these came from. These are the ones that she used all over. How pretty. These are 2 of her favorite like decorative crafting items. I love these hearts. I have them. I've never used them. Look how pretty they are. So pretty. And then she has another Crafted Choice beaded pens. Look how pretty. Look at the big strawberry on top. I'm not going to take this out because these are hard to get back in. Hard to get back in, but look how pretty it is. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then, oh boy. Remember I said she gave you your very own of that die. And these are so pretty. These are different though than the ones that I usually make. These are little itty bitty flowers. Oh my gosh, Sandra, did you buy these or did you make these on your Cricut? They are so stinking pretty. This is an obsession of mine. This is actually like a punch, but it's like the one that I use. This one looks a little different though. The shape of the flower is a little different. This is cute. Sandra, tell us. Did you make these on your Cricut? Did you buy them from a shop? Where'd you get them from? Okay, guys, we have a whole nother bag. A whole nother bag of goodies. So generous. Look at this strawberry. Oh my gosh, look at this little like ribbon. Please, if this was my swap, I would be holding on to this for dear life. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I know people are going to be asking where you got this. You might as well go ahead and tell us. Go ahead and tell us, girl. So this was on here with washi, but I'll have to try to retape it again. And I see a little box in here. I think it might be an embellishment box. Look how pretty she put. I love these little flashcards. She put some more ephemera. Ooh, wow. All the strawberry things. Look at this. We have some cabochons, some charms, some beads, some focal beads. This is a charm, actually. Yes, a big charm. Some more strawberries. Oh, the little ones that are so cute that she used. Some more beads. This is a focal bead. More beads. This is a bell. This is the cutest thing ever. The milk. Oh my gosh. Is it strawberry milkshake? Get it? Get it? So cute. And she made a little case for it. How cute is that? And then she gave you some strawberry cream savers. Of course she did. Strawberries and cream. Perfect with the theme. Ooh, guys. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You guys know that I love a folio situation. Okay, you got the same notebook and the same corner rounder, but also you got a glue, but you also got an adhesive eraser. And this is a good thing. This is for when you get glue on your projects by accident and you want it off. This isn't a knot, so I will not be opening it, but that's in there. And there's also some red line tape in here. So generous with the Crafty tools. You only had to do one. She did a million. Cute, cute, cute. I love this. And I love the little baggie that you put it in. Okay, guys, wait a minute. We have to get into this because that is so pretty. That must be another one of her Crafter's Choice items. And this, I love a folio. And I feel like there's, we barely have any opportunities to make them because not a lot of swaps call for them. So I love that so many people were like, you know what I like to make? These little things, these little mini album folio things. And that's what I'm going to make. So I love that so much. That's like the point of this, So let us open this together. Oh, I know this is going to be pretty because the paper alone is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, the lace trim. Why? This is so cute, the seam binding. Life is short, make it sweet. So pretty. So pretty. Wait, let me move this over so we can have this all in the middle of the frame. All in frame here. Do we see this? I know I'll probably move this up a little bit because I get excited. Okay. All right, let us open this together. I see a jumbo paper clip. So look at this. So pretty. Strawberry Fields Forever. This paper is gorgeous. Look, this is a pocket with a tuck spot. Strawberry Kisses for you. This is so pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. I think I need this. The girl with her pink strawberry hair and a little tag here with a jumbo paper clip. Another tag. Don't mind my garage that you guys hear opening. My husband literally waits till I'm recording to make all the noise he can. Some more things here. This little belly band. So cute, so cute. Look at this flip with a postcard. How stinking cute is this? So pretty. Oh my gosh, this butterfly is everything. And then another tuck spot over here. So pretty. Another thing here and then another photo thing. I love these stamps. Ooh, Sandra, so pretty, pretty, pretty. You guys, make sure you leave a comment in the description bar letting Sandra know how gorgeous this swap is because it is beautiful. It is just so pretty. And make sure you go over and subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Sandra, for participating. And thank you for all my goodies as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.